Now, did you catch all that? What I've decided to do, hey, you can always change your mind about certain things, okay? Remember I said I'm going to pull the wire first and then I'll be able to put this up and figure out where to drill holes and pilot holes and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to set this up there first and get this all set. And I'm not going to mount it, but I'll have the holes drilled and marked, and I'll have the other hole pre-drilled out so I don't mess up the threads. Take it back down, screw that up, because once I get the wire through there, the only way for me to know where this is to push the wire back up and then have me think, oh, be careful, I'll just set it right next to the edge of the ceiling, and then all of a sudden have it disappear or something, and then think, oh man, where is it? Then I have to get a little wire with a hook on it and hope that I can fish it back down out of there. So because of all that, I want to get this box exactly set up where I need it first before I fish the wires, okay? There's one thing I forgot to mention to you. Before you start vacuuming, you want to pick up all the bits and pieces as you can, the big pieces. Last thing you want to do is have something get caught up in your vacuum assembly and have it get caught in there or something, okay? I'm going to pick up all the big pieces and that before vacuuming up, okay? Be mindful of that. Last thing you want is to have to start to mess with a vacuum to make it work right again. Okay, I didn't really drill any holes yet, but I held the box up there and see where the black marks are. The top left, top right, bottom right, and that other big one right there is where the ground screw is going to go. So I'm just going to drill that kind of big because I don't really care. It's just to give the ground screw enough oomph up there so it doesn't hit the wood. And three screws up there should be plenty holding that whole thing, that whole ceiling fan up there. I'm not going to sweat not having 4 screws up there, okay? These two are fine. That bottom one is not that far off from being in the middle. That should be fine, okay? I really want to get going on this steel tape.